Why does your scanner show the P2244 engine code? What does it mean? P2244 is a diagnostic trouble code for 02 Sensor Reference Voltage Performance Bank 1 Sensor 1. The P2244 engine code will indicate your engine's computer has detected an electrical voltage outside the expected range at the upstream oxygen sensor. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: damaged or corroded wiring, failed or contaminated O2 sensor, poor engine or chassis ground, blown sensor fuses or relays, excessive exhaust or vacuum leaks. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.